Hi guys, we are now on Ilo Surf. It's probably one of the most popular day trips from Mauritius, but it's still a wonderful place to explore. Welcome back everyone! A great way to experience the nature of Mauritius is to take a catamaran tour. In a previous trip, we explored Ilo on the west coast of Mauritius. This time, we were off to the east coast in Douce. This was the jumping off point for the tour. The first stop on the tour was Ilo Surf itself. Here we had 2 hours to explore the island and enjoy the beach. There are plenty of people here, but it's still a very beautiful beach and we'll show you around a little bit. Also, there's plenty of fish here to see, so definitely a place that is worth visiting. There were quite a few sea urchins as well, so bring some water shoes. You really can't go wrong with Mauritius. Look at this absolutely gorgeous water. It's transparent and turquoise blue. Now we are back to the boat. On the boat, a lovely lunch was waiting for us. After lunch, we continued the cruise on the Grand Rivière Sud-Est to the second stop of the day, a visit to the waterfalls. To reach the waterfalls, we had to change to a smaller boat. We even saw a few people kayaking there. The waterfalls were very nice, but the cheeky monkey playing on the shore turned out to be the bigger attraction. By the time we returned to the boat, the weather had turned and the sky became overcast. We still enjoyed the snorkeling stop of our cruise and saw lots of fish, but the visibility was not as good as in the morning. To round off a great day on our way back to the west coast, we stopped and bought some fruit on the side of the road. They are the best fruit you will ever taste, so do not hesitate to stop and try some when you are driving around in Mauritius. It's a very ripe papaya. Can't wait to try it. More Mauritius adventures are coming up. See you in the next one.